Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. I'm about to make a new design today, so I'm going to go ahead and get my oils together, and I'm going to show you how I do that today. I just showed you how I prepare my lye, and as you can see, it's over there setting to the side, cooling off and coming down to room temperature. So let's get to it. Let's get my oils together for my new design today. So first I got to get a pitcher. We're going to start with the palm oil because that's what's on top. And this gives me the least problems opening up, so that's good. As you can see, I've been using a lot of palm oil. So we're going to tear that out. And I need 181 grams of palm oil. So I take my little handy dandy ice cream scooper and 181, sorry. That was 168. Oh, too much. Oh, that was just about good. Let's see. There we go. So I'm going to go ahead and wipe this out. Scrape and wipe it out. Okay. So shea butter, I will also need 181. So I'm going to tear my scale and get my shea butter, which is a lot harder than the palm oil, but we're going to get it all together. Alrighty, let's see. Come on. One, 4. $1.53. $1.69. Probably too much. 180, 179. So 2 more grams. That's probably this right here. Oops. $181. Now I need more coconut oil than I did the shea and the palm oil, so I'll need 226.8. So we're going to round that to 227. 26. Oops. Oh no, I'm flicking everything everywhere. Okay. What'd I say? 227? Okay. I done broke. I do it every time. Done broke my scooper. It's almost, I guess it's time for a new scooper, huh? Let's get this out of here first. 226. $207. There I go again. There we go, 227. Okay, so now that I have my hard oils together, I'm going to go ahead and melt those down so I can get those to cool off. I'm gonna go ahead and melt my hard oils down to get them to cool off, and then we're gonna get our liquid oils in. So I'll be back shortly. To melt my oils, I use a microwave at 30-second bursts. So it usually takes me about 3 times to get them all melted. And I'll still have a few bits and pieces that I'll just stir until it's melted. So I'll be back to let you see what I got. Okay, here we are back again, and it looks a lot better. I'm going to go ahead and stir this together and get that all melted up. Not a lot of little beads in my alrighty. Okay, now that all the hard oils are solid, melted, let me get this one piece. Must have been hiding at the bottom. There we go. Where you at? Okay, come on. Did I get it? Alrighty. Now that I got all my hard oils melted, let's bring the scale back out. We're going to tear it, and we're going to add the rest of our oils. First, we have sweet almond oil, which is measured at 45.36. So we're just going to add 45. And I'm using, let me bring this back in a little. I'm using my pipette to make sure I get a good pour and that it goes down the pipette instead of the bottle. So 45. We're at 44, and I'll just drip it in until I get to 45. Good. There we go. All right. I'm going to tear that out, and then I'm going to add my castor oil, which I'm going to have 45.36 again, so another 45. And this will be easier because I have a squeeze top. $1.45. All right, that's my castor oil. Okay, I'm gonna tear out my scale. And the next is my olive oil. So for my olive oil, I'm going to need 226.8. So we'll go ahead and say 227 again, as we did the coconut oil. Oops. So let's see. 227. $227. Alrighty. All right. That is, I'm gonna give this a nice mix together. Take the temperature. I'm at 82, which is good. I don't have to wait for anything to cool down. All right. That is how I get my oils together. So if you want my recipe, it'll be down below in percentages. That way you can make it, customize it to fit whatever mold you have. If you need to find out how much your mold makes, then you add the amount of water. Well, you weigh your mold and you tear it. Then you add as much water as needed to fill up the mold, and then you, whatever the scale is how much how much your mold holds. So then you can enter that in the soap calc and get the that's how much your mold holds. So thank you for watching my video. Like, comment, and subscribe. If there's anything else you'd like me to make a video about, just let me know in the comments. Thank you for watching.